are planning to go on cycling towards Werribee South. Good morning. Hello. Oh, she doesn't want to talk to you guys. What did you did last night? Sleep? Yes. Good job. Here, Coco. Good boy. Here, princess. Take it. Good boy. I'll see you soon, guys. Have fun. Hello, what's up everyone? Good morning. It's 8 o'clock right now, so I'm at my home. Today we are planning to go on cycling towards Werribee South Beach. Oh, here is who you are. Good morning. Hi chicken, say hello. Oh, she doesn't want to talk to you guys. She's a little bit kind of, arrogant. It's a bit more cloudy. We got our raincoats packed on, like 34 kilometers one way. Have our raincoat and everything packed up, and our camera for, of course, to give you updates. Morning. Good boy. Here, take it. Good boy. Hey. Right.
Hello guys, what's up? Hey, hi everybody, welcome to our channel. Today helping Ravina on this trip and going with her. Where are we going?
We are planning to go to Werribee South Beach. It's like 34 kilometers one way. Yeah.
I hope it doesn't rain.
Yeah, I talked the same thing in my last video.
Yeah, alright, let's do it guys.
Alright. Full charge. It's my e-bike. Tool for the cycle if something happen in the road, for the long ride. I also have this cycle for the short trip, and if you want to go to jungle or skiing or in the mountain, then yeah, you obviously want to use this one because it's a little bit old, and yeah, I don't mind if it gets old. Anyway, yeah, that's all guys. So
Here's some spicy sauce.
started get to the like 31 kilometers per hour. It's literally